It's almost jean season. I love jean season. I love boots. Yay! So it's time for us to go through our closet, make sure everything fits, make sure it all still looks nice. Are we up to date? And there is a pair of jeans out there that I really want. They're slightly distressed, and I've gone to the store, I've tried them on, I've watched the price fluctuate, they've been on sale, and still on sale, they're almost $100. Y'all, I do not want to pay $100 for distressed jeans. So today, we're gonna make them. Have you seen my video on distressed jeans for women over 40? I think that we can wear distressed jeans and look great doing it. We can look in style, we can look fantastic without looking like we're trying to be our teenage daughters. I'm Dawn with Just Doing My Best, and I hope that you will come and say hi to me on Facebook and Instagram, and I have a special Facebook Insiders group, so be sure to look for that too. You know, every week I just like to bring great ideas and products and looks for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look good and feel good right now, at this age, right now. Today, we're going to make a pair of distressed jeans. Like I said, I love to wear them. I don't wear them all the time. I'm not wearing them to business meetings, but I do like to wear them, and I think we can look really good in them and be confident in them without feeling like we're giving away the farm. But like I said, I don't want to spend $100 for a pair of distressed jeans. That's ridiculous. So we're going to make them today, and I want you to stick with me on this video because it's less about the how, because I think just about anybody can do it, but there are a few key things to keep in mind when making distressed jeans. And here's the bottom line, is I'm gonna use a pair that fit me well, but I'm not getting a lot of use out of them. So you know what? If I mess it up, I'm not really out anything, okay? So I didn't spend $100 on something I might not like, but I can do this for free, and if it doesn't go well, it's okay. So the jeans I'm gonna use are these jeans. They're a straight leg, and they're full length jeans, and I just don't get a ton of use out of them. I really like straight leg, wide leg, boot cut jeans for us, rather than skinny jeans. You've probably already seen my video on alternatives to skinny jeans. I like straight leg better. I like a wide leg better. I like a boot leg better. I just think they're a little bit more flattering. So the jeans that I want are a straight leg jean with a cutoff hem. Something that's gonna be great with the booties for the fall. And like I said, I just don't want to spend $100 on them. So these are the jeans I'm going to use. Okay, so I want this to be super, super simple. So you only need two things. One, a pair of jeans. And number two, a really good pair of fabric scissors. Not your kitchen scissors, but you want scissors that are made to cut fabric. Now, with your jeans, pick a pair of jeans that are a really heavy material. These are Lucky Brand jeans. You know I got them on sale because I don't buy anything full price. But some of the jeans, if you saw my video on buying and caring for jeans, some jeans now have a lot of elastic in them, they've got a lot of polyester in them, and what's gonna happen is when you cut them, then they're gonna fray, they're gonna be wavy, they might roll up. Some of that is okay, but we don't want a ton of that. So if you have a heavier pair of jeans, that's gonna be perfect, okay? Now, what I did was I tried these on, and when it's all said and done, I want the bottom of this to be right at my ankle bone, okay? And it's better to have to measure these several times and to cut them too long at first and have to go up than it is to cut them too short the first time and then you're like, what do I do? So I tried them on and I rolled them up exactly where I want them to be, and it's about 1 finger in length. So that's all I want, right at the ankle bone. So let's get started. So I tried these on and they're just a touch longer than I want them to be. So I'm going to cut off just a little bit more, keeping in mind that when I wash them, they're probably going to fray a little bit. So I'm not going to cut off a whole lot. I'm just going to cut off just a little bit off of both legs. Like I said, it may not look like a big deal, but I do know that once I wash these, they're going to fray and they're going to come up probably just a little bit more. And like I said, it's better for them to be too long than to be too short. I can always come back later after I wear and wash these, no big deal. Now I want to share a little bonus with you. So the ends of these are not going to be perfect, and that's okay because they're going to be cut off. But here's a little bonus. If you want to fray these a little bit and kind of get it started, what you do is you take tweezers and you kind of just pull on some of the strings just a little bit. And you just kind of work your way around and just pull on them just a little bit. And it kind of gets that started a little bit. Okay, so you can kind of work on this, but you do that with tweezers and just work your way around just a little bit. And you'll have that kind of distressed, looks like you've had them for years look. So you can do as little or as many as you want. And then, like I said, just keep in mind, once you wash these, they'll probably go up just a little bit. They'll fray even more. And then honestly, after I've washed them several times and maybe I get a few more frays than I want, then I just pull them down just a little bit. So maybe say this one's really long, I just go and cut it off just a little bit so the strings aren't like hanging all down and dragging on the floor. So now let's try them on and see what they look like. Okay, I am so happy the way these turned out. I couldn't be more pleased. This is exactly what I wanted. They hit right at the ankle bone, and now all of the fall and winter booties can all be seen. Yay! I'm so excited. Leave me a comment and let me know if you're gonna make your own cutoff hem jeans. Next video, stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe so you know when it comes out. I'm going to style these DIY jeans so you have several options and you'll look fabulous in the jeans you made. I hope you like this video. Share it with more women who are just like us. We just want to look good and feel good at the age we're at right now. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.